stuff. Why are you calling me over Discord? Well, yeah, fair. Yeah, my phone is not on my desk right now. Anyways, what'd you need? Yeah, totally. You can come over, man. Of course. Yeah, it's pretty early. I mean, yeah, I did wake up like 20. I'm lying. Okay, I woke up like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I know it's only 4 a.m. I know I couldn't sleep though. I only slept for like an hour. Yeah, I know. I'll try and fix my sleep schedule today. Okay. Okay. When should I be expecting you? Yeah, 20 minutes sounds okay. It has me. It gives me enough time to clean up and start on food. Unless you want to order something, then I'm fine with that. Yeah, cooking sounds fine. Yeah. Alright, man. See you later. Jeez, I hope he's not caught in all that rain. Oh, oh, okay, that would be him. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, it's good to see you too. Yeah, come in, come in. It's kinda... Oh, yeah, it's gotten a little worse than what I've seen. Okay. Yeah, right there. Yeah, shoes off. Mm, yeah, yeah, I just put the pot on the stove. Yeah. I'm not really sure, what you would like to have. Yeah, I'd be fine with, chicken noodle soup. Yeah, we just gotta wait for the water to boil. It, it's been a while since I've seen you, like, a week or two. What's been going on, man? Oh, dude, damn. Did you at least find a new job? Oh, oh, okay. I mean, hey, maybe it was for the best you got laid off. Yeah, that's what, $2 increase? And what, you only gotta work an hour less? Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I didn't really expect it to rain this late in the night. Yeah. Um, yeah, I fill it up with, like, my cold water. I know my water's really, really cold, so it's gonna take a while for the pot to start boiling. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can sit down. Oh god, I need it. Ugh, so groggy. Um, oh, you wanna play anything? I mean, I have my computer in the living room. Well, a computer. It's not the best, but it can still run some games like, I don't know, Pico Park. Okay, look, okay, that was the best thing I could come up with, alright? I mean, I guess we could play, like, Helldivers. Did you, did you bring your Steam Deck? Damn it. Hmm. I don't really know then. We can figure that out later. Yeah, whatever. You wanna just watch something? Yeah, that sounds good. I'll just turn on the TV. Oh, that's okay. You didn't see that, by the way. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Um, anyways, do you wanna, like, watch something specific? No? Okay. Doesn't look like anything's wrong. That's, well, good at least. Yeah, okay. Do you want to just, like, uh, I don't know. I don't know what to do, man. Well, yeah, like, guess we could cuddle a little bit. The food, the food should be okay, okay? Yeah, of course. Just come here. Mm. Oh, you're warm. Mm. You're a little more softer than I remember. Um, have you? Wait, I don't even notice. Are these new clothes? I knew it. You felt softer. Yeah, if you'd like, you can help out with cooking. Good boy. Oh my god, it never gets old. Just seeing you blush. God, it's so adorable. You still have that collar I gave you, right? Okay, good. Good, good. Speaking of which, did you leave it at home? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, totally. We can, if you'd like, we could, go out tomorrow. You know, it's been a couple weeks since I've seen you. I know you're my boyfriend and all, but like, yeah, it's been 2 weeks. Okay, I don't want to see you more. Okay. Yeah, of course. I mean, if you want, you can stay the night. I wouldn't mind. Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, totally. Okay. Where would you like to go tomorrow? Ooh. Yeah, I mean, yeah. There's That's like the only good thing to do in Michigan. Okay. It's cold out. Okay. It's like 61 degrees. It's cold. Mm, yeah, okay. Fine. We can go. Yeah. No, no, no. It's fine. We can go there. I haven't really been there before, but like, we can try it out. Mm, God, you're warm. Why are you so warm? Uh, no, I'm not. I'm not blushing. Stop. Hey, you are too, okay? You like blush every time I call you my good boy. Like that, see? You start burying your face in my shoulder. I can tell just by like how like the sides of your cheeks are. You're just red. Yeah, that card's not gonna work on me. Come here, man. Let me just, let me just nuzzle into you. Why are you so warm? Aren't you hot under there? Hey, can we just get this blanket off of you? Like, I'm not complaining though. I'm a little cold right now. So you're warming me up. I think we were meant to be together, you know, hot and cold. Of course. You know, if you really want to, I haven't added anything to the food yet. I mean, the water I can see is just starting to steam. If you want, we can just ditch the cooking and order something. I kind of want to just try something we've never had before. Like this random place. Yeah, I could order DoorDash, of course. What are you feeling like? Burgers? Pizza? Pizza? Okay. Yeah. What do you want your half to have? No, hold on. I'm gonna need you to repeat that when I open the app. Okay. This place, sure. Yeah, I've never heard of this place either. Okay. What do you want on your side? Oh, I don't have an option for that. Alright, yeah. I will get... Ooh. Bacon and pepperoni sounds so good right now. Yeah, I'll get that. How much we tip? Yeah. Yeah, $5 seems good. Okay. Alright, let me just order it real quick. Oh, wait, we need a drink. I almost forgot. Well, I have, unopened 2 liter of Coca-Cola in the fridge. Yeah, I was gonna open it tonight, but yeah, I mean, tonight seems like a good night, right? Okay. Breadsticks. Ooh, those look good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll order it now. I'm really hungry too. Okay. It says it should be here by, 4:45. Okay. That's actually kind of quick. Yeah, I've seen that place when I've, driven around town, go grocery shopping, but like I've never actually eaten there. Yeah. Well, we can just nuzzle up to each other. Should probably turn the stove off. Okay. do you want to do this? You get in front of me, I get in front of you. We just you in front of me? Yeah, I can cuddle you, of course. Look at you. You're so sweet. Such a good boy. Of course. I can keep calling you a good boy if you want me to. Look at my good boy. So cozy. Such a good boy. Like a cuddly puppy. I could go change into my thighs if you want me to. I mean, yeah, but yeah, I don't need to right now. Plus, I don't really want to answer the door in thigh highs and a hoodie. I don't need them, seeing what I'm wearing or what I am. Yeah. My good boy. You're so cuddly. I love it. Of course. Yeah, baby. I can hold you tighter, yeah. There you go. Don't fall asleep, though. Because I don't want to wake you up and you still need to eat pizza. Okay. Yeah. I'll at least wake you up. Okay. I love you, honey. Now be a good boy and just fall asleep, okay? Good boy. I'll see you tomorrow, honey. Or, well, when the pizza gets here.